Hi, my name is James. I'm with ezbankruptcyforms.com, and I'm here to talk to you about filing for bankruptcy. Let's get this out in the open. Bankruptcy is going to crush your credit for the next 7 to 10 years. But there's certain advantages that different chapters of bankruptcy are going to have that far outweigh the disadvantages of having bad credit for the next decade. For example, Chapter 7 bankruptcy eliminates most of, if not all of your debt. Now, in itself, Chapter 7 bankruptcy does not allow you to stay in the home that you own. Chapter 13 bankruptcy does not eliminate all of your debt. It reduces your debt through a 3 to 5 year bankruptcy repayment plan, and is mostly used by individuals who can't get a loan modification through their bank as kind of a last resort Chapter 13 bankruptcy loan modification. Now, if you're watching this video either on YouTube or on our website at ezbankruptcyforms.com, you're probably considering hiring a lawyer, which is a good thing because you don't know about the different chapters of bankruptcy, the paperwork that you're going to need to fill out, where to file that paperwork, the different meeting or meetings that you're going to need to attend, and the effect that bankruptcy is going to have on you down the road. And a good bankruptcy lawyer is going to take care of all of that for you for a fee. And that fee is going to be about $1,400 for a Chapter 7 case, or about $3,000 for a Chapter 13 bankruptcy case. Now, we believe that if you had that information readily available, you would be able to get a bankruptcy discharge without a lawyer on your own for free. And we provide that information right over here in our free Bankruptcy Without a Lawyer Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 tutorials. Now, if you look at those tutorials, you're going to notice that whether you hire a lawyer or not, you're going to be completing most of the bankruptcy steps on your own. A lawyer isn't there to do your bankruptcy. A lawyer is there to provide guidance for you to do your bankruptcy. An example of this is if you get halfway through your bankruptcy and you need to go to your meeting of creditors. You can't call your lawyer and say, hey, I don't want to go to my meeting of creditors. You just go for me. A lawyer is going to say, no, you need to go. And if you don't go to your meeting of creditors, this is what's going to happen. A lawyer provides guidance. We provide free guidance. Now, we are selling something. We're a bankruptcy software company, and about halfway through your bankruptcy, you're going to have to fill out the paperwork. If you don't use some sort of bankruptcy software, that paperwork is going to take you about 40 to 50 hours. Now, we simplify it down to a more manageable 4 to 5 hours, and it's going to run you about $50. And ironically, if you buy our software with a credit card and then declare bankruptcy on that credit card debt, which is specifically why a good Chapter 7 bankruptcy lawyer will not accept a payment plan to do your bankruptcy. Now, I'll give you this. If you're filing for Chapter 13 bankruptcy, the case is going to take 3 to 5 years, and you're going to have to stay on top of a lot of stuff. And hiring a lawyer may be a valid option, but certainly a Chapter 7 case only takes about 100 days. There's not a lot of steps, and we can provide the steps that you need to get a discharge on your own, making hiring a lawyer more of a convenience than a necessity. Good luck with your bankruptcy.